Sometimes simplicity is all you need to win hearts. And today I have one such simple yet a unique Bengali curry for you, Doodh Jhinge. Hello guys, it's me, Ruchi Bharani, and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. Let's get cracking. I've taken around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and put it to heat. And once it's nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf. I'm going to tear Kashmiri chilies or any dry red chilies that you have at home. Just remove a few seeds and the stem. I'm going to add 3 chilies into this. Stir fry these ingredients for a few seconds. Into this, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give it a stir. And now into this, I'm going to add in 500 grams of Turai or Ridge Gourd. So basically, I've cut them into 2-inch lengthwise and they're nice thick pieces. And now let's add this in. I'm also going to add in salt. Add a little less as of now because this looks quite a bit, but it's going to shrink. And let's give this a stir. This Bengali curry is a combination of Turai, that is Ridge Gourd, and milk. So after these are cooked, I'm going to add in the milk. Milk is the highlight of this Doodh Jhinge recipe, so it has to be fresh. Wondering how I don't compromise? I only trust Country Delight's 100% pure cow milk because the natural yellow color of this milk proves to me that this milk is pure. And now it's time to add the milk. In a measuring cup, take around 1 teaspoon of rice flour. And now into this, I'm going to add in my pure and fresh Country Delight cow milk. Give this a stir. Make sure there are no lumps. The milk mixture is ready, but before I add this, I need to add a few more ingredients. The jhinge, which is the Ridge Gourd, is nicely cooked, and now I'm going to add in 2 green chillies and a teaspoon of sugar. Give this a good mix. Time to add in the milk mixture. So here is my tip for the day. If you don't want to use rice flour for this recipe, you could even take 1.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds, soak them in the milk for about half an hour, grind it and then add it into the jhinge. So reduce the flame now and let this cook for another 5 minutes. The beauty of this recipe is that it's totally fuss-free and gets ready in no time. Quick, easy and fresh, just what Country Delight brings to you. Country Delight delivers fresh cow milk delivered to your doorstep within a few hours of milking. This also ensures that you can enjoy the natural taste of cow milk, which enhances the flavor of the dish. For example, this soulful flavor of the Bengali Doodh Jhinge. Just before serving, add a little more salt since I added very less earlier and a teaspoon of ghee. Give it a good mix. This Doodh Jhinge is ready to serve. Let's plate this delightful Doodh Jhinge. Who knew that Ridge Gourd and milk can create such a wonder together? Have it with steaming hot rice for a soulful lunch. Thanks to cow milk from Country Delight, this Doodh Jhinge looks creamy and delicious, just as it should be. To avail an exciting offer, download the Country Delight app, subscribe to Fresh Cow Milk now, and get 100% cash back on your first recharge. An incredible offer you just can't miss. Enjoy!